one of the other things that we do is the design for manufacturing, right? So to perform this, first we need to define our manufacturing capability, right? So our manufacturing parameters. What do we have, or what capabilities do our manufacturing plants or manufacturing flow have, right? We need to define what's the dimensional tolerances that we are able to. And generally, we try to stay, within standard sizes, right? That's just to keep compatibility important, right? And reduce the amount of wood products. It also improves the sustainability because with using standard sizes, we can use off-the-shelf components or off-the-shelf fittings without having to have it custom made by some third party or by ourselves, right? So we reduce things like the shipping and we reduce cost to ourselves, right? And we need to adhere to certain manufacturing rules. Now, those rules will depend on the manufacturing method that we take, right? So in this case, we're looking at injection molding. So we have we select the method, injection molding, and we put our rules, our capabilities that we are able to do, right? So in this case, a minimum wall thickness of 2 millimeters and a maximum wall thickness of 3 millimeters, right? Because again, when you do injection molding, it has to cool within a certain time, right?